Alright, clarinet class, here we are with Etude number 2. It is marked at 88 beats per minute. Of course, we'll go a little bit slower than that. Well, it says 88 through 112, and that's pretty quick. Let's look at the time signature. It is marked 6/8. Remember, we kind of talked about that. That means the eighth note gets one beat, and there's 6 beats per measure. So you will count these measures like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I put a lot of emphasis on 1 and 4 because a lot of the measures are going to be based on that. For example, look at measure 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. You have to feel 1 and 4. It kind of feels like one lolly, two lolly. Just like each time you tell their story. Kind of similar rhythm there. So let's look at the very beginning. If we were going to clap and count the first measure, we would clap it like this. Ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 6. Notice this quarter note gets 2 pulses like 2/8 notes. So 2/8 notes there, 1 there. That makes a little group. That's like a 1 lolly. So if we were going to clap and count the entire or the first 4.5 measures, I'm going to stop at this breath mark. So you would have 1, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 5, 6. And we could keep going there, but there's a breath mark here, so we're going to stop there. Look at your key signature. F sharp and C sharp. This is C sharp. It is R3. This is A sharp. You may want to get your pencil and write B flat or pinchers right above this note. Okay, this is F sharp first finger, L1, R2's for this B natural. This is F sharp, play like low B natural. Don't worry about playing a fourth key here because you're going from G to F sharp, that's fine. Here, this high A sharp is the same as E flat with the register key. So 1, 2 on the side would be easier to play there, going from that to F sharp, so there's no blip. Alright, let's clap and count it one more time. 1, ready, go. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 5, 6. Alright, finger pop. B natural, F sharp, C sharp. 1, ready, go. B, D, F sharp, B natural, D, C sharp, B, pinchers, C sharp, E, G, F sharp, A sharp, B. So that's pretty straightforward. So let's just play it. I'm trying to mention them on. Faster. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, what note did I miss? C sharp. So you're probably going to miss that C sharp. So circle it now. And tomorrow in class, I'm going to look and see if you circled the C sharp and see if you listen to these videos. Anyway, beginning. 1, ready. Good. So you have the pickup note here. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go pick up to measure 5. Let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pinchers, 5, 3, 4. This is F sharp. Almost messed up. This is C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to play that a few times. Let's go super slow. Pick up right here. Play it with me. We're gonna go. I'll count to 3. Take a breath and come in. 1, 2, 3. Notice what I did. Short, 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 short. All right. This is staccato. I say short. Pretend like I said light. Don't play it too short and chop it off. It needs to sound very light. Let's speed it up. Let's go to the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty good. Rewind this video back as many times as you need to work on the beginning to measure 8. Alright, so let's look a little bit further because I think this is one of the easier pieces. The fast pieces are always going to be easy because there's going to be some kid that practices and practices and practices so they can go to, like, say, measure 17. That's just a chromatic scale. And someone in that room is going to audition and go, boom, because it's easy to do, so they work on the rest of this, so the whole thing sounds super easy. Anyway, so measure 9, the rhythms are pretty much the exact same thing. The notes are just changed. So let's see if we can finger pop and say our letters at measure 9. Hold 1, ready, go. D, F sharp, A, D, high F sharp, E, D, C sharp, E, G, B, A, E sharp. Oh, whoa, look at this. E sharp. This is the same as F natural, which is the same as low B flat with the register key. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the register key. So look at it again. Beginning, you have, or not beginning, measure 9, 1, ready, go. D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, E, G, B, A, E, F, B, E, G, D, E, A, D, F sharp, C sharp, D, A, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, A, F sharp, D. Alright, let's look back at this measure. This is measure 12. Let's just play it to make sure you're playing this E sharp correctly. This is measure 12, and 1, ready, go. The easiest thing would be to play this fork key, that F. So let's start at measure 9 and play. 1, ready, go. So played it a few times. The counts are very simple. If you notice, I've been taking a lot of time to talk to you and not just record myself playing it. Please take time and listen to how I'm counting these things because this will help you become a better player and we'll be able to play harder music. For example, I do not want to count measure 17 for you because that's just a chromatic scale starting on fork F and going down to F sharp. You are going to play that scale basically every single day when we do our chromatic or our DeSoto ISD warm up. All right, I appreciate you listening to the video. If you have any questions, please ask me before or after school. Please come to class with a reed. If you do not have a reed, you need to tell your parents to purchase you reeds. Generally, we're using Lavaz mediums to medium hards or Gonzalez threes and three and a halves. Ask me if you're not sure which size reed you play on, and we'll talk about it. All right, thanks. Have a great day.